Welcome at Pizza and More. Do you know which pizza are the most authentic and real Neapolitan pizza? I'm Jürgen and we make now the real Pizza Napolitana, the Pizza Marinara and the Pizza Margherita. There is the AVPN, Associazione Verace Pizza Napolitana. This is an association of Neapolitan pizzaiolos, and they created a rule set how a Neapolitan pizza should look like. They defined what are the ingredients for the dough, how is the pizza made, which tools are to use, and so on and so on. And exactly these two kinds of pizza, the Pizza Marinara and the Pizza Margherita, are exactly described in this rule set as real, authentic Neapolitan pizza. In the meanwhile, there is one more, the Pizza Fritta. The Pizza Fritta is also a nice one. At some point I will make a video of this. This pizza is also available in Naples. On each corner it's available like a street food, and it's so delicious. Many people think the Pizza Marinara, from the name Marinara, has something to do with some seafood on the pizza. But this is not really the truth, because the Pizza Marinara is the pizza of the sailormen. In historical times, sailormen had no possibility to take fresh toppings for their food or fresh things onto the ships, because they had nothing to cool, which means they only use things which are natural, stayable, and they can use it without any cooling. So the toppings for a Pizza Marinara are tomatoes, is garlic, is some oregano and olive oil. The story for the Pizza Margherita is the following, or do you maybe know where the Pizza Margherita, where the name comes from? In the year 1889, the Italian king with his wife, with the Queen Margherita, visited Naples. Margherita had the wish to taste or to eat some pizza, because pizza was already very famous. There was a pizzaiolo, and the name of this pizzaiolo was Raffaele Esposito, and he had the job to create or to bake 3 different pizzas. One of those pizzas, and he thought, what pizza should he make that the queen is happy about it? And then he created a pizza with the national colors of Italy, which means green, white and red. So the green from a fresh basil, the white from the cheese, from the mozzarella cheese, and the red from the tomatoes. And exactly this pizza was the most preferred one from the Queen Margherita, and that is the reason why she was so happy about it. And then she wrote a letter to the pizzaiolo, and she said, many thanks, the pizza is so delicious, and so on. And by the way, this letter still exists in the Pizzeria Brandi in Naples. And everyone wanted to eat exactly this pizza. And that's the reason why this pizza is called Margherita. And now I would say, let's start with making the pizzas. I already have prepared the ingredients or the toppings. This is tomato sauce. How the tomato sauce is made, following the rules of the AVPN. I made a video of this. This is linked here. I have here some, it's not mozzarella, it's Fior di latte. And I have here fresh basil. But I have also some grana padano, because this is also something we need for our Pizza Margherita. And I have garlic, and I have here some oregano. About how to take the pizza balls out of the box and how to stretch a pizza, I made already a video. So if you want to see this in a very detail, then please have a look at this video. But for now I use lots of semula to take the dough ball out. The rest of the dough will be covered and put to the side. And then I flip the dough several times around in the semolina. I take it out and then I stretch the dough like it's common for a Neapolitan pizza from the center to the crust. And I let all the air in the crust because a Neapolitan pizza has a puffy crust. This pizza has actually not its final size. The final size will then be made on the peel. As toppings for our pizza marinara we have tomatoes, and we use for the marinara more tomatoes than we have on a normal pizza because there are not so many other toppings. So a bit more of the tomato sauce. Don't put tomato sauce onto the crust, but everywhere at the base. Then we add some oregano. Then some fresh cutted garlic. I only cutted the garlic into slices. And at last topping, some olive oil. And now it's already time to put the pizza into the oven. Now stretch the pizza to its final size. And then it's time to put the pizza into the oven. The oven is preheated to 450 degrees. And now the pizza is ready. And here comes the Pizza Marinara. And now I would say we continue directly with the Pizza Margherita. I take the dough ball out of the box, like I explained it already quickly. I flip the dough ball several times around in the semolina bed. I take it out onto semolina and then I stretch the pizza. And when the pizza is nicely stretched, we add some tomato sauce. This will now be the Pizza Margherita. The next topping is some fresh grated Grana Padano cheese. You also can use pecorino or normally Parmesan cheese. Then I have some fresh basil. And the white for the Margherita, the Fior di latte. By the way, the word by word explanation about the Pizza Marinara and Margherita from the AVPN is copied into the video description, so you will find it there. And then some nice olive oil, and then it's time to put the pizza onto the peel. And it's time to stretch the pizza to its final size. And then the pizza is ready to be put into the oven. And the pizza seems to be ready. And now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video how to make the real Neapolitan pizza, so the Pizza Marinara and the Pizza Margherita. If you like my video, I would be absolutely happy if you would subscribe my channel. And otherwise, see you in the next one. Ciao!